Hey everyone, today we are comparing Cloudy Code versus Cloudy Desktop in 2026. Which one should you choose after the recent update? Let's break it down fast. What they are. Cloudy Code optimized for coding, development, and technical workflows. It is tuned to understand code, debug, explain algorithms, and generate clean, structured programming output. Cloudy Desktop, a general purpose AI assistant for everyday tasks, writing, research, emails, and creativity. What is new after the update? Cloudy Code major boost in multi-language support for programming, Python, JavaScript, Rust, Go, C Sharp, faster compile-like reasoning, helps catch bugs before you test, new project templates and scaffolding tools built in, Cloudy Desktop, now with contextual memory across apps, remembers more of what you work on, better at long-form writing, summarization, and multi-step planning. Smarter integrations with calendars, docs, and email workflows. Bottom line, code focuses on dev tasks. Desktop focuses on productivity and everyday AI help. Direct comparison. Best use for Cloudy Code is programming and debugging. Best use for Cloudy Desktop, writing and daily tasks. Cloudy Code is extremely quick for code logic. Cloudy Desktop, fast general responses. When talking about the creativity of both, Cloudy Code is limited to code contexts, while Cloudy Desktop is strong in creative writing. Integrations. Cloudy Code dev tools and terminals. Cloudy Desktop productivity tools and calendars. Cloudy Code is ideal for software devs and engineers, while Cloudy Desktop is best for knowledge workers and creators. So who wins? If you are a developer, Cloudy Code is now far better for real coding help after the update. If you do general work, writing, planning, Cloudy Desktop is more flexible and powerful. Final verdict. Choose Cloudy Code if you code seriously. It is now faster, smarter, and built for programmers. Choose Cloudy Desktop if you want a versatile assistant for everyday tasks and creative work. They are not direct replacements, they are best in their own lanes. That's a quick breakdown of Cloudy Code versus Desktop in 2026 after the latest update. If you found this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and tell me down below in the comments which one you use, and turn on the bell icon to get all the new comparisons about such programs.